On that.
I'll have it in a minute.
Not been tipped over yet.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 13:37 Trans-Pennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Scunthorpe. Pulling Scunthorpe, Barnsley, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. This train has 3 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 5, standard class in Zones 7 and 6, cycle spaces in Zone 7.
This is now arriving on platform 8. Please make your way to platform 8 to 13:05. Your colleague is now arriving at platform number 8. Platform 3 to platform number 8. Service to your colleague. This service is now arriving at platform 8. Again, this is a platform alteration. Passengers awaiting the 13:05.
To see this out and about. See this out and about. Come on. Must be de-icer. $37,407. And then driver Tony K. 37,419. A very dirty 37,419. $803,003. Here's the Pride one. It's VLB TTQ Plus. Got 43,089 with one Mark III coach and then 43,048. It's a very rare working. Clag. Mine is 801226. Pride. Hello everyone, and today we're at Doncaster. Apologies if I haven't been filming for a while. We are, as you can see, at Doncaster. There's no trains in. There is there 221142, which is the 1631 from, that train is forming the 1631 from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. But I will see you guys when it gets moving. Okay, it looks like the signals are pulled off. That signal's pulled off, and the signal down there, if you can see it, is green, which means we're going to have a run through coming through in a minute. I don't have what clue this is. I can see the headlight in the distance. It's probably going to be a Lumo passing through with a service to Edinburgh from London, but I'll see what it is. It looks to be an 803. I don't know if it's an 803 or an 801 or what, but I'm going to have a look now, and it is 801-113. By the looks of it, 800-113. That service passing with a service to Edinburgh Waverley from London King's Cross, and that one has sped through, and I'll get you guys updated when the Voyager gets moving. Okay, with the headlights that are dearly blinding me, and with the signal, as you probably saw there, cleared to a single yellow aspect, as the Voyager behind me will be departing with the service to Bradford Interchange. Coming in now is 801-216 with the service to London King's Cross, with the 1827 to London King's Cross. This train will indeed be forming, this train will form a service to London, and with the engines revved up behind me, the engines just spooled up behind me, looks like 221142 is departing with a service to Bradford. This train's calling at Pontefract, Monk Hill, Wakefield, Kirkgate, Mirfield, Brickhouse, Halifax, Lowmore and Bradford Interchange. And yes, I did that all off memory. Don't question me down in the comments about it. I just remember them. Now this is the 1631 departure from London King's Cross, heading towards Bradford, departing Doncaster. With the signal behind me clear to a double yellow, it's ready to go, and we are ready for departure. Obviously the train's taking a while to move. Oh, the hazard lights have gone out and the train's ready to go. Engines spooled up, and the train is departing very slowly with the service to Bradford. Nice way from the driver there, thank you very much. 221142 departs with a service to Bradford Interchange. And arriving in behind me is a 158. It's 158786 with a service to Sheffield. I'll get that one on video in a minute when I got the 158 in, but it's gone down there, and there it goes with the service off to Bradford. And around it, there is the 158 arriving at the platform there for Sheffield. Okay, I'll see you guys if any more trains come through. And also there departing is the 801-216 for London King's Cross, and as it goes behind there, it's departing with the service to London King's Cross. So I thought I'd update you guys on that. Sorry about that, guys. This is part 2 actually. I had to make 2 parts as my girlfriend texted me, so I couldn't. I had to respond to her. So unfortunately, I couldn't film. There is another train there. That is train there. The 185 you can see stood in the background is in fact it's the 1642 to Liverpool. I can't name out all the stops because it's too many stops. Just announcing it now if you can hear it. It is raining, so I do apologise if any water gets on the lens of my camera. Obviously I'm using my mobile phone here to film the train, but anyway, and also I just want to say that hopefully we can get to 100 subscribers. I'll really accept it if I really appreciate when you smack likes on the videos and give me feedback, and also give me constructive criticism as well. Try and give me constructive criticism on what I could do better. If there's anything I could do better, please let me know, because I really want to know. See if I can get any better at these videos and see if anyone else could like them. But yeah, because if you guys want to get involved in my videos, then you can. I'm not in progress yet, but I am wanting to make a music video on these trains, basically do a music video, and it might also involve a bit of this about my personal life. So you know how it is with these, and really I could make better train videos. But anyway, I'll tell you guys on this train in front of me when the Azuma departs. And departing there is the 42 service off to Liverpool. Just can't see it, but I heard it go. Okay, with the whistle blowing from Bob there, he just blew his whistle, and now the train is now ready to depart, the 1643 from London King's Cross, calling out Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. This train's going to Leeds, and the train is now ready to leave. So this one's going to go, and I'll get the number for you as soon as the train vacates the platform. It's going now. Nice way from the driver there, thank you very much from the driver. And it is 8:01:209, departing with the service off to Leeds from London King's Cross. I'm just putting it down and grabbing my coffee. Well, not coffee, hot chocolate, but who cares? That train's fully booked. It's peak time up to about 6:30, so I'm not ever used to this, but that was a successful. By the way, guys, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. This is actually the end because I need to get over for my train, which will be on that platform over there, platform 0. It was the new platform. That actually used to be sidings. But anyway, from me at Doncaster, from Jono at Doncaster Station, it is goodbye from me. And part 3 may not be coming out. I may have to film part 3 at a later date, probably this weekend on a Saturday when I'm on here. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Nice way from the driver there, thank you very much for that. I could take a picture of this right now.
That?
Yeah.
When they're all
I'm just taking a
91s,
picture of the Zoomer next at 91.
When they're all 91s and you can see it down, especially going over the fence there, Peterborough.
Do you like the new livery on the 91s?
You could see for miles and you see him sparking.
Do you like the 91 new livery? It kind of looks like Intercity, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like that.
I'm going in here. Alright.
I'm going to take him at the station. As we film 91, it's 91, 1, 2, is that, no, 114, Durham Cathedral, 91, 114, on the 9 Mark 4s. These will be gone from passenger transport by the end of this year. I am going to miss them. I'm going to really miss the Mark 4 coaches on these. (82,223). Those are 91, 114. Powers that. Off to. 166023.
Trans-Pennine Express, service 2.
So West Coast. Might as well film this one out. I've got ages before my train. I've got ages before it goes. Unfortunately, it's not even here yet.
Mexborough, Swinton, Rotherham Central, Meadowhall and Sheffield. This train has cycle spaces in Zone 6.
So I've got 802301, Amy Johnson, leaving to Hull, she's leaving to Beverley actually, and yep, 5 coaches, 802301.
Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Warrington West, South Cartwright and Liverpool Lines.
Just departing now is 801-209 with the, I think it's the, yep, with the 1643 L&ER Azuma service to Leeds. Train's called Wakeful Westgate in Leeds, and it is formed of 801-229. And over on the platform is a class 185 unit, a diesel D0 multiple unit, which is bound for Liverpool, which is terminated here, and I will turn around in a second once this train has disappeared off into the abyss. Class 185 is just over there on the opposite platform.
4 and 7. Platform 4 from the 1359 cross-country service to Penzance. Sheffield, Derby,
66953. And on the route, 66559. And that's 220-032.
Lane West, 29 minutes.
Ready to film the come through now. House. Get ready to film this one now as off goes. Don't know what number it is. It's 180, 101. I think I'm right about that. This is 01 carry unit. Still. And there's the up main and down main, and then the down slow, followed by the relief lines. Still 91-106. That's the station. At the station. Just so I could. This is probably going to be one of the last times I will ever get to film a Class 91 Mark IV set. So, film it while it lasts. Film it while it lasts. And savour it. An 82 212 on the rear.